Hi friends, Tanuja from Tanushree. Hopefully we have all got some respite from the lockdown relaxation and we have started work slowly, step by step. I know a lot of customers are little skeptical to step out of the house and give orders, but yet I am getting orders online, booking it and dispatching through Dunzo or Swiggy. So it's madness has started. So but I prefer most of my customers to actually start giving orders now, because my tailors are sitting without work and they want to get work, and probably you'll get better embroidery designs, better performance at this time when they do not have work. So I ideally would like you to put orders now rather than having a rush hour in the festival times and rush hours. So please do come down to put orders. Yes, this is my recent order which I have taken up. Lehenga and blouse, halter neck blouse, made out of an old sari. This is a turning border sari which we have converted into a box pleated lehenga, and this is the top for it. So this is how it looks. So in the lockdown, even my mannequins have put on weight. I am unable to drape this dress onto this mannequin. So no, actually my client is very thin, so I am unable to put the blouse on the mannequin, not the lehenga. So yes, this is a lehenga, very intricately done, because there are some darts in between, but you cannot see those darts. It is so neatly done by my tailors, so neatly aligned to give that same shape all through the waist round. See, the border is actually this big. So but you can see they have aligned it so well. So that's about it. This is done from the pallu of the sari, and this is the whole sari we have used. So that's how we have been converting and making saris into lehenga blouses as of now. And of course there are a lot more coming up. So please do come down. If anything is there for embroidery or stitching, come down. This is the right time to place the order and give job to the tailors who are sitting idle. Please. Thank you so much. Bye bye.